Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix bleach stains on clothes. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this pair of shorts and they've been stained by bleach, okay? You can see it's quite bad, there's quite a bit of staining, but I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Now what you're gonna need is a permanent marker, and it's very important. It can be any type of permanent marker, any brand, but you need a permanent style marker that matches the color of the shorts, or at least matches the color of the clothing, not just shorts. It can be any piece of clothing, at least matches it fairly closely, whether it's shorts, pants, a shirt, underwear, shoes, anything. It's gonna work with pretty much anything. Okay, now it will not be perfect. When we fix this, it's not gonna be perfect, but it is gonna be a lot better. So what we're gonna do is take the permanent marker. Okay, and like I said, you want to make sure that it matches. So these are pretty much black shorts, and this is a black permanent marker, so it pretty much works really well. What we're going to do is we're going to take that permanent marker, and we're going to not draw like this. For the most part, we're going to dab it on there. So as you can see, I'm dabbing it on there. Once you've covered the bleach stain, let it dry. Now, like I said, it's not going to be perfect. However, it is going to mask it, especially once it's dried. It's going to really blend in really nicely. Okay, so as you can see, we are dabbing it. Okay, if you want the best results, I suggest you use pretty much a brand new permanent marker or something that's not almost running out. I've seen some people do it where they use a marker that's almost running out, and when permanent markers almost run out, their coloration changes slightly. So you're going to get a different color than what you want. So it doesn't have to be brand new, but just make sure that it has quite a bit of ink left in it. So as you can see right here, sorry about that sound, I'm leaning on a cupboard and the cupboard door actually just closed right now. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it does a great job. Now what I would recommend is you let it dry. So you're going to let it sit, let it dry. Once it is dried up, I would recommend that you probably go about it with the same marker again. So once this is dry, I'm going to take the same marker, and I'll show you in a moment. Let me just cover up the majority of these. I'm not going to make you sit through the entire thing, although it would probably be quite satisfying. You know what, maybe, I mean, because it's going pretty quickly, we'll see. Just if you want to see what it looks like at the end, maybe I'll go through most of it, because there's a lot of staining on this pair of shorts right here. Now you see, we're not going like this, because that really is going to smear everything, and it's going to really not blend in nicely. You can go like that, but it is better to just blot it on there like this. Okay, so as you can see right here, we've covered up all those stains. It's not perfect, but you know what, a lot of people will throw their clothing in the garbage once it's been stained by bleach. At least now you can still use it, and you probably won't even notice that it's bleach stained for the most part. So as you can see right there, this is what it looks like once we've covered it up. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna make you sit through the entire thing, because this is probably gonna take me like twice the amount of time that it just took me for all those little spots, because it's a massive area. What I will show you though is that if I go over here, you can already see you're barely able to tell, and it's still wet, okay? But what I would do is I'd wait until it's completely dry, but I'll show you right now, and I would go over it again. And you can see when I go over it the second time, it's like basically disappearing. Once this dries up, once the ink dries up from the second coat, you're barely going to be able to tell that it's there. It's literally, it does a fantastic job. And the closer that you can get to the actual coloration and tone of the clothing, the better that it's going to be. So as you can see, much better. You can see right here, it's much less noticeable than over here. Once it dries up, you should be good. You can try for a third coat as well, but 2 coats is usually more than enough to cover the staining. But that's it. That is how to fix bleach stains and get rid of bleach stains on clothing. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.